come to Kwai Tate, which is led by none other than the county chair, Mr. George Kikato, and Deborah Rabi. I know by that time we have principals are not here because of some of the challenges that we have in the house to talk. That's a team that we all.
So we hope now with the security situation, the officers who are there on the ground will bring back law and order. We open the schools, we get the teachers to go back, and we want, of course, compensation. The government has said that they will give us compensation of 100 million. We don't, that is, in my humble opinion, is not adequate. If you see the loss of life and property in Baringo, it's over $1 billion, clearly over $1 billion, clearly, which we need the government to consider and pay the compensation. As they've said, they will.